Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, and you can see with either of the key fobs we can open up both power sliding doors and the power trunk latch if needed. It's got a rear entry, manual conversion, very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps in here keep these ramps from rattling. It's a very good design. They have some designs that turn or slide here in the middle. I'm telling you right now, you don't want those. They're going to rattle on you. They're going to drive you crazy. As you can see, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. The ramp is 34 inches wide on the rear entry Dodges, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry, so it gives you more room. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base. It's got 8 tie-down points to hold a gurney or stretcher, or up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. It's got 21 inches of room between those seats. If you need more room, we can always take a seat out. We can put flip base seats in there. We can put more narrow seats in. So, tell us what you're looking for. We can help design a van to meet your needs. It's got the rear air. Headliner looks great. But most often in a chair, the person's legs will sit between those seats and their bottom will sit just partially behind it. So, they're not all the way in the back. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road, the digital radio, and the backup camera, dual climate control and rear air, plenty of power supply for all your electronics. These real nice dashes, the center consoles, and they're real nice. So if you're going to use this van for, say, a taxi service, and you want to make these vans, the doors manual, you can flip that button there. They now become manual sliding doors. If you want them to be electric, flip the button again. So you can make these manual or sliding doors with power sliding doors with the touch of a button. We do give a free set of Q-strength pull tight tie downs away with each van. And when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger, very easy to do. Lift her back up, shut her down, and you're ready to roll. I'm gonna do a quick walk around to the van. It's extremely good condition. It's got the tinted windows, alloy wheels. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling, you need some more storage space. All these tires are darn near brand new condition. It's a lot of tread left on them. And this van's not brand new, but it's not far from it. Very clean, very well taken care of. Auto check. We do an auto check report with each vehicle. You can see the picture. In the second picture of all of our ads, shows 1 owner, no accidents, and miles are actual. That's exactly what we want. That's exactly what we're looking for. A super clean van inside and out. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoking or unusual odors. Got the leather seats with the cloth insert there in the middle. Super clean interior. Another great feature, it's got the remote start. So you can see, hit that button there. Fires right up. This is great to have not only in the winter time, and even if you have a garage, it's still nice to come out to a warm car in the garage, but also in the summertime if you want to get your air conditioner going before you get ready to roll. And you can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out. There's no check engine light on, no ABS, none of that stuff. As I mentioned, it's got the backup camera. Current mile is 37,775. And let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. Everything looks good. No signs of any rust, no signs of any damage. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. And as I crawl underneath the van as well, you can see it's not all rusted out. There's no damage underneath. A lot of our competition, you'll notice they never show you the undercarriage of the vehicles. The reason being they buy these from New York, Chicago, and a lot of people say, oh, it's a 2019, it's not going to have any rust on it. Yeah, you give something a winter or two, or 30,000 miles up in some New York winters, it can get pretty rusty. So that's why we show you these videos. That's why I get on the ground when it's 20 degrees out. Not because I like to, but I want you to know what you're getting. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it's newer, they assume because it's low miles, that's not going to have any issues. Don't assume things. Demand a video like this. If someone's going to ask you to spend a lot of money on a mobility van, Tell them to get off their keister, get out and make you a video. And if they won't, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? You know, people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. We've tested power mirrors, power locks, cruise control, air conditioner, heat. It all works. Let's get this van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway, get them out and give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know, you don't have to assume, you know this van runs and drives good. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you drive in and drive the van home, you know this van runs and drives good. We've done our due diligence, got up to 65 miles an hour, cruise control works good, steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If you look us up on Google, last I saw we had 4.8 out of 5 stars. We've done over 600 transactions on eBay, all with 100% positive reviews. So my point is, we've got a great reputation. There's a reason for that. We try to be very transparent about what we're selling, and we try to be very transparent on how we do business. Many of these dealers, they have a great price online, and they don't tell you about their 500 document fees and tag fees, or $1,000, $1,500 in fees they tack on at the end of the deal. Now my question to you is, someone's hiding money from you up front, what else are they hiding from you about the vehicle? Are they hiding accidents? Are they hiding damage? Are they hiding some mechanical problems they knew about but they didn't tell you about? So we don't have any hidden fees. What you see is what you get. Then also, when you combine, we do free shipping in the lower 48 states, no hidden fees. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can compete with our prices here at Affordable Mobility. Give a nice hard brake coming down the ramp. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So that's exactly what we want. Also keep in mind, we do have financing available. We can send you an application over the phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send one to your email. And then back to comparing us to the competition. I kind of got out of sorts there. Back to comparing us to the competition. When you call the competition, you're going to talk to a used car salesman. If you want to call us, 316-262-VANS, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. You're going to reach the owner. You don't have to deal with a used car salesman that's not going to be there in a month or two, probably out chasing that commission check somewhere else. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't really care if you get the truth. All they care about is getting that commission check. Well, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I care about you getting a good deal. I care about your repeat business. So if you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. Or if you're more of a text messenger, 316-518-4377. You can text me anytime. And to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. And you do have the owner's cell phone number now. I want you to try that with the competition. I want you to tell them you want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if any questions come up before or after the sale, you can reach the owner. Yeah, try that. Let me know how what the competition says about that. See if they'll give you the owner's cell phone number. I'd be interested to hear about that. So, as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.